Good afternoon everyone. In today's class we discuss the periodic test 1 of subjective paper. So this is your question paper. So first question is name any 3 mobile operating system. So the famous mobile operating system we use are the Android, Apple and Windows mobile operating system. Next question is name the screen that appears after Windows operating system is loaded. Desktop. When we start a computer, the first screen which sees is a desktop. Next question is question number 3. What do you mean by cropping an image? To crop an image means to remove or adjust the outside edges of an image. Next question is how do you say that feedback plays an important role in communication? As we know that for evaluating the effectiveness of your message or your communication, feedback is essential. As by getting feedback, we must know whether the recipient has understood the message or not. Next question is question number 5, how to overcome communication barriers. We can overcome communication barriers by using these. First is by checking whether it is a good time and a place to communicate with the person. Second is being clear and using language that the person understands. And the third is communicating one thing at a time. By using these 3 ways we can overcome the communication barrier. Next question is question number 6. Write the steps to restore the deleted files from a recycle bin. For restoring the file which we have already deleted from the recycle bin, we follow some steps, and these steps are: first, open the start menu and type file history. Then step 2, restore your files with the file history option. Third is click the history button to show all your backed up folders, and then select what you want to restore and click the restore button. Now question number 7, write the steps to insert image in a document. And the steps to upload or to insert an image in a document are: first, click where you want to insert the picture in your document. Then second step is on the insert tab. In the illustration group, click the picture, locate the picture that you want to insert. For example, you might have a picture file located in a document, and click that picture which you want to insert into your document. The next question is define the operating system and its important functions. So operating systems are the interface between the user and the machine, and the operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, etc. So these are the functions of an operating system. Next question is what are styles and what are the advantages of using styles. Styles are the ways of formatting easily. We can format easily by using a style. Styles are predefined. So we can say that styles will help us to improve consistency in our document. They also make major formatting changes easily. And by using styles enables you to quickly modify the look of a document instead of manually formatting all the separate components. So these are the advantages of styles. We can format a document, or where we want to apply a style, we can easily format them by using styles, and we can modify them quickly, which makes our document more attractive by doing manual. Next question is question number 10. What general precautions should you take while cleaning the computer and its components? So the steps we follow to clean a computer are: first is best way is to clean your computer or computer components or a device is to follow the manufacturer's instructions in your user manual. Second step is always power off the system first while cleaning your system. Next, always use anti-static wristband or other professional grounding devices, and never work on carpeted surface. So these are the precautions we will take while cleaning our computer's component. Next, question number 11. Write a short note on types of communication cycle. Explain with the help of a diagram. So different types of communication we use are, first is based on the communication channels, and second are based on styles and purpose. And based on communication channel we have two types, verbal and non-verbal. In verbal we have a oral and written. Oral is further classified into face to face and distance, and then we come on the based on styles and purposes. It is again classified into the formal and informal. So these are the types of communications we follow while communicating. So this is a question paper which we have discussed. These are the questions, all the questions we have discussed in this video. So watch the video carefully. Thank you.